Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in the beautiful community of Brick and Stone at Lydia. This is going to be a new community by the university area in the Houston area. This is going to be close to downtown and the medical center. This home has been built beautifully and priced where first-time home buyers are able to get into the home. This home is going to be listed for a little under $380,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, a little over 2,000 square feet. The schools that are zoned to this home will be Whitby Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Yates High School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And also do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.